Welcome to our room. This hallway is
amazing.
Amazing. This mudroom is awesome. So much storage. This wood paneling.
All the detailed corners, all the decorative corners.
This beautiful
skirtings.
chandelier.
Oh, I like this little drop zone when you walk in. That's a great idea.
All the features, all the character.
Yeah, I love it.
They've got all the character going on.
And not just a toilet. We have a full bathroom in here. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So have a go at this.
Not just a powder room. It's
a full bathroom for the downstairs area.
It is really nice.
I love
this.
I love
area.
this space.
This is that bathroom, like it's beautiful.
Oh wow. Isn't that gorgeous? They've done such a good job.
Mikey, this was done, the cladding, to save money.
They've done a great job.
Choice. I love it.
It's beautiful.
And then of course we've got our laundry here as well. I was worried ours was too small, but after seeing some of the others, I love it. It matches our kitchen, it matches our whole space.
Ties everything together. It's really nice.
It's graphic wallpaper. It's beautiful.
It's tied in with the kitchen, which is cool.
Yeah, marries up.
Cohesion, is that the word?
Cohesion. It's very cohesive.
Well done.
But this messes with my eyes too close.
Nice. This is beautiful. Get rid of this, keep this. Yeah. This just is, this
Make
sucks.
it a white wall or something, it's not needed.
It sucks.
Yeah, it's definitely a winning room, I think.